Bitcoin crazy, what's going on? You wanna know everything about the crypto world? Then smash the like button. It's time for CryptoNews. Rodrigo Ornedo, crypto to the max. Today, we told you on X, our social media Twitter account, we are back in the bull run, in the crazy bull run. So if you want to know everything that's going on out there, follow us on X, Twitter, and you can see now that we're wondering if Bitcoin, after breaking $57,000, is going to destroy the 60K like this tank that is Bitcoin did with this small car, the 57. Maybe so. Here you can see this guy realizing he can no longer buy Bitcoin under 50K again. Here, this guy, awesome stuff. He bought Bitcoin at $17,000 and he's back at school, and you can see like everybody's there saying congratulations, you are a holder, you had those diamond hands, you had those laser eyes, and now everybody, after telling that you were crazy, now they're saying you are the man, you were patient enough, you learned, and today everybody admires you. You feel like this maybe in the future? I don't think so. But any case, for me, you are of course a winner. We've been waiting for this all our life. Hold on, and how long did we wait? A lot. Here you can see this guy just alive now after buying Bitcoin at 56K in 2021. There's a lot of people out there feeling like this. Like, is this true? Is Bitcoin up from 57? Yes, it is. You can see here with TradingView, link in the description below, the chart, and it's crazy. The last 2 days, 8% up. Today we'll see right now more than 4% up. And why is that? We told you in almost every video, is because of the ETFs. Those are buying billions and billions. We have a new record out there. And you need to consider the pump hasn't even started yet. And we have those ETFs volumes at 4 billion a day. Celebrities aren't talking about crypto yet. No scamming YouTubers yet. No media coverage about Bitcoin or Doge. We are in a very, very early pump cycle. I believe that. What about you? Leave a comment below. Thank you very much. You need to consider that we don't have even 50% on Google Trends out there. Not for crypto, not for NFTs. There's no retail. So when the retail comes, when your neighbor wants to buy Bitcoin, it's going to be huge. Consider this from Stock Money Lizards. Bitcoin, many are still in denial. Real FOMO buying will start at 100K. That will be the round number that will make all those people we know who claim crypto is a scam ask you for advice. Well, I believe that will start at 60K, but 100K, of course, will be crazy if we go there. Here, the bears, people believing that Bitcoin is going to zero. Well, they are now at the hospital. And this guy that we always go and watch when we are happy, dancing again the Macarena, because Bitcoin is going crazy up. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para darle alegría, cosa buena. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena. Happy together and happy watching these charts. Like this one comparing with past, and you can see here with the resistance point we are right now, it might seem that 60K is going to be something that will visit before halving. And according to these experts, we'll have the top after it. In 2024, we'll have 100K, and the top for this cycle in 2025 will be between 250 and 300K. What do you think about this? We are 50 days away for that halving. Are we going to have the halving like in the past cycles, or are we going to have the all-time high before this time? Here, Titan of Crypto telling us that 61K still in the cards because of this bull flag. Also, Matthew Highland with the same idea, and the projection is higher, 64,000. Here with Yale and the bullish megaphone, now retesting it, we'll see where we can go. And if you don't understand about technical analysis, it's okay. You have eyes, you have glasses. Well, just watch. We go flat, then up, then flat, then up. So now we go flat, and then we go up again and again. This is not financial advice. This is my dream. I have a dream about Bitcoin. It's so beautiful watching the weekly chart and see how little we've been above this line in the past in 2021. So we are in the all-time high range already. We are here. We are close. And we close so many gaps in the 4-hour charts. In the futures, you see here the CME, close, 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 and close. So we can go up with no worries about this, even though we still have some gaps down from us right now, of course. Here you can see Bob Lucas telling us that it might seem that we are going to have a left move all-time high in this cycle. As we told you in previous video, you have to watch it, so do not miss that one. This strategy that we told you about for Bitcoin. And here, the hodler, the real deal, the truth hodler is been there since the beginning. Is like a monk. What about you? And what about Ethereum? 3,241, 1, 2, 3, 3 days up from 3,000. And Tony the Bull telling us that Ethereum is going higher because of the Bollinger Bands. So happy to know about that. Also, Bitwise telling us that they see 50% probability that the ETF in spot for Ethereum is approved in May, and they project Bitcoin to the 88K for this very year. The market in the green, the bubbles in the green, Pepper there with a 50%, also Theta, all the good ones in the green, and the market is in extreme green, so be careful out there. Chico Crypto in the last video told us something very interesting. Have you considered that so many cryptocurrencies out there, like 14 cryptocurrencies, have Bitcoin in all-time high, like cryptos compared with money in Norway, also Lebanon, also Turkey, also Argentina, etc., etc. Even if you compare or you dominate all-time highs for Bitcoin in US treasuries, we are in an all-time high already. So just in dollars, it's just a matter of time. MicroStrategy knows about this and bought 3,000 more Bitcoin. Now they have 193,000. Congratulations to Michael Saylor. Now with this amount of money and unrealized profit. And here the Bitcoin therapist with this fun meme. Like you read one book and your company makes 4 billion, the Bitcoin standard. We told you about that in findontheright.com in our section about books. You have there all the books that I've read in, related with crypto, not just crypto. So if you want to do as myself, go there. Also, I have some videos there with a sum up of some of those videos. And if you want to audio listen, as I do, then go to Audible. You have the link in the description below. It's free for you, and you help us because they give us some money if you register. So thank you very much for that. Also, more news. Reddit bought Bitcoin and Ethereum. So they had some leftovers there in cash, and they used it to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. So good for them. Now in conversation with Google for AI, as you might know. And what about Donald Trump now saying that Bitcoin has its own life? He loves dollar, but he loves Bitcoin too. Let's listen to the president, the former president.
Isn't the next logical step to embrace Bitcoin, because Bitcoin obviously is decentralized, the government can't get its hands on it? What about Bitcoin with all the young people, including African Americans, who are very interested?
A lot of people are doing it. I always liked one currency. I call it a currency. I like the dollar, but a lot of people are doing it. And frankly, it's taken a life of its own. You probably have to do some regulation,
Life
as you know,
of
but
its own.
many people are embracing it. And more I'm seeing people wanting to pay Bitcoin and you're seeing something that's interesting. So I can live with it one way or the other. I've always
I can live with it. Right now, he can live with it. Remember, he's making a lot of money with Ethereum and NFTs. So you can see even haters like Donald Trump now, they are not the same or saying Bitcoin is okay. Also, what about other altcoins that are not Bitcoin? What about Ethereum? Do you believe Ethereum is going to go to an all-time high this cycle? Or maybe not. Chico Crypto in its last video told us that, well, in the past bull run, some coins made it to an all-time high and some didn't, like XRP, for example. So he believes Ethereum is going to do it. I believe that too. Tell me your opinion. But what about this halving event for Ethereum? Here you can see that 58 days before the halving, it went up like crazy, as we are right now in those 50 days. So maybe more bull run for Ethereum to the halving and then flat, hopefully so. But what about Cardano? Chico Crypto told us that he believes Cardano is not going to make it to the all-time high. I believe it is going to make it to $3. We'll see about that. We keep on staking with our pool. Fanon, come with us. If you have some ADA, 129 blocks, just one new block validated yesterday. Thank you for coming. And you can see here the fight between Charles Hoskinson and Vitalik Buterin. Hoskinson said that he will fight Vitalik anytime in a fight, just like Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk. So he's trying to be popular as Elon Musk, of course. And what about Uniswap? They have this proposal. If this comes to fruition, we will be able of staking Uni. That would be awesome. Do you believe Uni is going to go to the all-time high, to $44? I believe that's going to happen. So we'll see about that, because you need to consider that you can make more commissions with Uni that you make with Bitcoin. And if you stake that Uni in the future, if this proposal comes into fruition, we are going to have part of those commissions. So I can't wait to stake Uni if this is true. Also consider what about Pepe with Dexter.io. Link in the description below. Learn about the market. You have Sora, you have Pandora, and you have Pepe and Trump, of course, and even Bitcoin. You see Pepe here with that 50%, and I doubled my investment in Pepe. So I'm so happy today, even though those are unrealized benefits, and I have nothing unless I sell. And I'm not going to sell, because I believe Pepe is going to go to the all-time high and much higher. We'll see about that. No advisement at all whatsoever. Brave integrated Solana's wallet, so you can now have those reward payments on Solana. That's good for Solana, and maybe good for basic attention token. I have a bunch of this token, and I needed to go to the all-time high, to $2 almost. I don't believe it's going to happen, but maybe to $1. I will sell it $1. We'll see about that. Remember that in the previous halving, we were going up, and we keep on going up. So maybe this will happen too. If you want to know everything about Brave Browser and Basic Attention Token, go to find on the right Brave Browser, that section that we have there, and you can see why I use this browser, and I don't understand why you are not using it if you are not using it. And if you want to buy some crypto, well, we have this partner CoinW, and I have a link in the description below, and you are going to have some rewards if you use this exchange that is becoming bigger and bigger every day. So consider buying your crypto, your ETFs, whatever you want, with the link in the description below, and have some of these advantages. And then maybe you want to store them on CoinW and have some of the rewards also you can have there with things like earning, etc. Or maybe you want to have part of those on a Trezor, on a cold wallet. Well, then I leave you the link in the description below, and you will help us. What is a cold wallet, Rodri? I have no idea. Well, this increases your safety in the crypto world, and you have a link in the description below to a video I created about the Trezor Safe 3, the new model, but you have also, it's the same for the Model 1 or the Model T. So buy one of those with a discount, or buy the Trezor 3 as I did as you prefer. And today we have this piece of information about Trezor. We have the new Trezor suite with a fresh look. It's awesome. And now it's even going to tell you about some transactions that smell fishy. So just go to Trezor and have a look. And how do you like it? And what about spending some crypto? Well, if you want to, you need the Bitcoin card. You can make up to 25 euros if you use the link in the description below. And then you have this cashback and so many other things. You can also use referrals for your credit card, your debit card, Bybit, and learn about it with the video dedicated, the 2 videos dedicated we have about it. Soon we are going to release the 3rd one. And that's the homework for today. Get your credit card, your debit card, sorry. And also watch the last video we told you on X about CL-Cripto, Jesus Lorente, and how to make your taxes with the Apple Vision Pro. This is AI content, and thank you very much to Jesus Lorente. They mentioned us in the last video. You have to watch all his videos in the YouTube channel. In this one, they will tell you how to create the tax report with the Apple Vision Pro. And you can see here that we were in the video. So if you want to watch us, go there, go to the channel, and you'll see everything about that. And maybe you want to learn about the Apple Vision Pro. Well, I have 2 videos dedicated to that in our channel, AI News. And also you can learn about Sora, like a lot of people in this video, or maybe how to learn English as I did and see how good I speak English. I tell you everything, how I did it in this video. You can learn English, of course. You can learn with the same method, German, or you can learn Chinese, or the idiom, the language you prefer, of course. Right now, we're going to keep on staking Bitcoin and cats. That's our thing, as you know it. And we are going to be blessed by this cat. You bought Bitcoin, you are blessed. What about you? You also are blessed because you bought Bitcoin. What about you? You are blessed too. We are all blessed because we bought Bitcoin. If you didn't, you can buy it today. It's never too late. I don't know what to do, this guy is saying. Well, buy a little bit. No financial advice, of course, but maybe you can choose between fiat and crypto and buy a little bit. This guy is sad. I don't have Bitcoin. It's okay, but you have love because I love you so much. Well, then I'm okay, I guess. Vitalik Buterin loves us. Allegedly, he's watching CryptoNews from this guy, Rodrigo Arnedo, the Spaniard. If you want to keep on watching our videos, watch one of these 2 really interesting ones. And we are researching already for our next crypto news here. Rodrigo Arnedo, health, money, love, poor in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!